In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a HubSpot account. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a marketing professional, or just exploring new tools for business management, setting up a HubSpot account can provide invaluable assistance with tasks like managing contacts, tracking sales, and organizing marketing efforts. And the good news is, setting up your account is a straightforward process. So let's get started. Begin by heading over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, you'll see an inviting button that says, Get Started Free. Give that a click. This is your gateway to exploring HubSpot's capabilities without committing to anything upfront, which is perfect if you're just testing the waters. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to sign in. Here, you have the option to click Sign in with Google. This option not only speeds up the process, but also helps in managing fewer passwords, a small but convenient step toward streamlining your digital footprint. After selecting to sign in with Google, you'll need to choose the Google account you wish to use. If you have multiple accounts, be sure to choose the one linked to your professional activities, as it will make managing your data and syncing your tools more seamless. Following that, HubSpot will ask about the industry you're in. Providing this information helps tailor the experience and recommendations you'll receive to better suit your needs. Next, you'll need to describe your role. This ensures you get content and suggestions relevant to the position and responsibilities you hold in your organization. Now, type in your company name to help HubSpot personalize your account further. This step helps in creating a professional profile that you'll see across the platform. You'll be asked to provide the size of your company. This helps HubSpot offer you features and tips that are scalable to your business needs. Type in your company's website if you have one. If this doesn't apply to you or you prefer not to share it at this moment, feel free to skip it. After providing that information, go ahead and click on Create Account at the bottom of the page. Congratulations. You're now a step closer to diving into the world of HubSpot. As part of HubSpot's onboarding process, they'll ask what you would like to focus on first, be it marketing, sales, or other areas, which will help customize your HubSpot experience accordingly. You'll then encounter a prompt to indicate which tools you currently use. This can be skipped for now if you're unsure or planning to explore later. Following this, click on I'll manually create my contacts. This option is quite practical if you're just starting out and prefer to input contacts as you go. Although HubSpot will prompt you to add contacts, you can skip this part for now as well. It's designed to make the initial setup more convenient. Finally, you'll see an option to skip for now once again. This allows you to bypass additional settings until you're ready. And there you have it, your HubSpot account is ready. Feel free to explore all the tools and services at your disposal, and happy HubSpotting.